Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products, hotels, make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new cordless leaf blower. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So they do send you a battery for it right there. Different nozzle attachments. And here it is. And check that out. I think it weighs like under 2 pounds, so easy to hold. User manual. And then a charger for the battery. I'm gonna actually put this on here. All right, very simple. What I do like about the battery is it lets you know how much battery it actually has right then and there. So you don't start a project and it's about to die on you. And we'll go ahead and put one of these. Okay. Well, locks in place. Super simple to use. Whoa. All right, it's ready to go. So let's go outside and see how it works. All right, and then one thing that I do want to point out about it as well is that if you guys have an actual Dewalt battery, these are compatible with it as well. See, ready to go. So like I said, they already provide you with one. In case you need a backup battery, you can always have one of your own as a backup as well. Alright, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a cordless leaf blower, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.